Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will show one servlet project which is running on my browser. See, I will run here index page, and I show you the navigation of pages within the browser. And here I have set the password. My project, servlet project, is LLB, and I log in here. So this is my next page, because you see this is a local host, my computer ID, and this 808 to the port number, and the project name, and the page name. So I will click next. This is my third page, and which is JSP page written here, and I will log out. So that is, I have to show you that I have three pages within my servlet project, which are in the JSP and servlet page, because you see the information I have put here is in the index page, and on successful login, the second page shown as my page, which is a servlet page, and if I click next, it will go to the JSP page, third page, and I can apply the logout, go to the login page. Now I will show you how this logic applied here to log in this page, and the information on the servlet, and go to the third page of index page, and index of JSP, the JSP page, third page. So I will show you the code behind this logic. You see here, this is my OK project, and in this project I have created one index page here, one JSP page here, and web.xml page, which is called deployment descriptor or configuration file. And in the project I have created the my page, my page here, and which is in the SRC folder, and the default package is retained here without naming it. So now I will show the first page, which is called index page. You see, I will open this page. This is my index page here. The page started in the body context, and here the form is you see this block. This is form action my page, which is the action goes to the URL of the web.xml file. So the URL called here as action page, and here I have created a small table to align the user ID and password field of HTML, which is text type here, and the another one is password type, and ID's name is ID, and name is given as PWD, and a button is created, submit button, and the value will be login. So on the page, after this page I go to the servlet page, which will receive this ID and PWD on the page. You see here, this is servlet page, and within this servlet you see the my page is extended here as HTTP servlet, and the do get option is here, because I have not mentioned the method. It is by default do get method. So here I have received this information of the variable ID and PWD here with the condition that request.get parameter. Request.get parameter will receive the value of the HTML page, get values carrying on the query string. So the query string value ID is stored T1 as string value, and PWD is stored at T2 as string value. Now the second task will be the comparison of these values, whether it is equal to LLB T1 dot equals, and ampersand double ampersand is means two concatenation of two condition of if statement, and this is and and this is t2.equals LLB. So after getting this if statement, it is success, login success, because I have correct LLB password here, user ID and password here, and then it will go to the tag also, the message tag and the message tag, that is of page.jsp link. So this is page link here with the option print writer object dot println, because printer is called here. And for this you always know that it is import the classes required for these pages: IO exception, print writer, servlet exception, and these are the other classes to execute these things. So, and if this link is failed, that is the password and user ID is not matched, then it goes to the else part, where the message will be shown in the servlet that you are login, and no message will be shown here. And this is the utility of servlet page, that is both the message can be placed in the same area, same page, which is called servlet page. So next, if I will click here the next page, then it will go the JSP page. You see here, now the JSP page will be here, page.jsp. This is my JSP page. You see here in the page here. This page, JSP page teaching is there. Welcome to my page in the HTML context, and this is the Java context, out.println, the message you are welcome, and in the HTML context, reference link reference of index.jsp page, which will be created as logout link. So this is the third page, and if I click logout, then it will follow the link index.jsp. So I think it is explained clearly that these three components are connected with the Java servlet. So I will again show you this run within this run on server. Started, server is started here, so I will click on finish here, and it is goes to this link of index page. Title is login here, password is LLB. Sorry, I will press here again, LLB to login. Yes, this is the second page, my page, which is the servlet page, login success. This is the third page, page.jsp, where it is available three messages: welcome to my page, you are welcome, and logout. And I click logout, it will go to index page. So if I will put the wrong password, you see the servlet message will be error login. So I think it is clear that one servlet can contain many information on the same pages and can be utilized very easily. So thanks for viewing this video. If it is like by click on like button and share with friends, and subscribe to my channel itechsolution. Thank you.